Hello again. In this short clip, I'm going to introduce and show you one of the usages of entity intelligence. What's that? First of all, with a special thanks to Mr. Hassan Habib because of creating and introducing this very useful free tool to be able to create some things like prompts by C Sharp. Let me explain. First of all, if you want to know the details, go and find about entity intelligence in YouTube. He explained all these things very well. But I'm not going to just talk. I want to show you just a simple picture and say, if I have a prompt and I have a database, I need something in between to create intelligent queries, fire it against the database, and pass me the result. Okay, imagine that I have list of students and I want to simply say, please give me the list of students. That's all. Then this tool can be able to convert my request to something understandable for SQL Server, for example, and pass me the result. So, since I always try to do something real, let's jump to SQL Server at first. SSMS. I didn't want to waste your time, so I just created a simple database, tax database. I have a very simple table like this: name, family, age, phone, address, job. What is job? I'm using the job ID. This is the list of jobs: software developer, doctor, engineer, sales, something. I had no idea what I am doing. I just entered something. So the job ID for myself is 1. 1 is software developer. The rest follow the same, maybe by different IDs. So far, nothing is complicated. Then another table, paid tax. Assessment ID, it's an ID. Year, in which year I paid this or somebody paid this amount. By taxpayer ID, we can know who paid tax and this amount in 2020. So again, so far nothing new, nothing special. 3 simple table, foreign key, these things. Okay, let's jump to Visual Studio. I have created a very simple console application, entity intelligence sample, and another class library with AI data client. I got it and I took it from Mr. Habib GitHub. He already provided this class. So I created a standard.ai data project and just paste it here. That's all. To be able to use this, we have to add one nugget package. Let me show you. See this guy, standard AI.openAI. So adding Nugget packages is not a big deal. Every .NET developer knows. So I already did. So I will go back to Visual Studio. So as I said, not only I will provide a GitHub for the source code, but also Mr. Habib already provided all of these things for the actually rest of the world. Okay, so let's go to program.cs. This is the program.cs. I have created a variable to keep my OpenAPI key. When I want to run, I will paste it here because I don't want to show my OpenAPI key to you guys. Sorry. And then a for loop without any limit, one line of code, a message, reading whatever the user wants to enter, then providing my connection string, SQL connection string, and the API key for AI data client, which is here. I already introduced this. And then a simple method to print the dynamic results. No need to memorize anything. As I said, you can find it in the GitHub. My GitHub or Mr. Habib GitHub. I just took them from him. And that's all. That's all. So I can write human language queries, and then this library would translate my human language to SQL queries and give me the result. You want to see? I will show you. Don't worry. I will replace my API key and then we'll run the application. So again, this is the result of running something like human language like this. Please give me the list of all the taxpayers. See? That's all. Or I can say who paid the maximum amount of tax in 2020. Yeah, tax amount. This guy. And it's correct. If we go to the DB, let's go to the DB and see. The maximum is this. The taxpayer ID is 2 and 2 is this guy. So this is correct. So if you pay attention, I have asked another question. How much tax Ali paid in 2020? Previously it answered correctly. Sometimes connecting to the, yeah, see? Like this. So you can simply convert the human language to something like SQL queries by this library. I will suggest you guys to play with more and more and take advantage of the features of this library as much as you can. And again, with the special thanks to Mr. Hassan Habib because of providing such nice library for the world. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and bye.